a Senpai TS18, a 4G SIM slot, insert a 4G SIM card for the speed, 8-core processor. This is sample for 4GB RAM, 32GB storage. Full menu, setting, about. So it's a TS18, 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 32GB storage version. Okay, this is screen resolution 1280 times 720. Okay, let me show you for the speed. YouTube. Now is connect for the Malaysia telco Cellcom data. So it's a 8-core Octa-core 8-core processor, 4GB RAM. So TS18 version, you got a few different RAM and spec ROM. Okay, got one is 232, that's means 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. Okay, 232. Another model is 432, 4GB RAM, 32GB storage. The third one is 464, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM. Okay, the fourth one is 464 as well, but is the screen is resolution is 2K screen. That means the pixel is 1002 pixel times 2000 pixel. Okay, the fifth one is 6 plus 128, 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. This is 6128. So now TS18 version got 5 different models. Now sample for 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 32GB storage. The screen resolution for this model is 1280 times 720. Music, steering control, a waist, new start, so now it's the first time to log in. Have to download the maps. After that, after download all the map memory, it's easy to searching. Okay, now it's download full maps already. Okay, let me try again, search.
Let's take E5 Liberaya Shah Alam Kuala Lumpur, and B49 for Sierra Mokhtar Dahari Shah Alam. This is the fastest route with toll-free route is 20 minutes slower. In 600 meters. Turn left on Jalan Puan Ko Fat.
Okay, after you turn on, long press for split screen. Okay, another side. Another side you can play for the YouTube. This is a left-right screen. So it's got a lot different Senpai video on YouTube. So welcome to have a look at Senpai, Convex, Renovo, Gogo, all the brand video in YouTube. So if you don't want a split screen, just draw it. Okay, clear apps, clear it one by one, or clear all. So this is Senpai TS18 8-core processor, sample for 4GB RAM, 32GB storage. The 4G connection. Support 5G Wi-Fi hotspot connect. If your phone is 5G, so you can just direct share out 5G Wi-Fi, connect player Wi-Fi for internet. 48 band equalizer, an HD support front and rear camera. So 432, okay, 232. Okay, the third model 464, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM. Okay, the fourth one 464 as well, but it's 2K screen. It's a 2K, 2000 pixel times 1002 megapixel. Okay, the fifth one is a 6128. Total got 5 model for Senpai. Thank you. Buy one bis.